Once, we looked up at the night sky with only our eyes. We saw a tapestry of tiny twinkling lights. We told stories about them. We imagined gods and monsters, heroes and celestial rivers. But the universe kept its secrets. It waited. Then something changed. A new star appeared in our sky. It wasn't a star at all. It was a satellite, a small metal sphere called Sputnik, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. This little beeping messenger from Earth sparked a new kind of wonder, mixed with a sense of urgency. It was a challenge. A cosmic race had begun, and humanity was at the starting line, ready to leap towards the heavens. For millennia, we were bound to our world, looking out from the bottom of a deep gravity well. In 1958, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, was created. Its mission was simple yet breathtakingly ambitious: to pioneer the future in space exploration, scientific discovery, and aeronautics research. What does NASA actually do? It dreams, it builds, it explores. At its heart, NASA is an engine of discovery, tasked with venturing into the unknown. Its primary purpose is to explore space, to send our robotic emissaries and sometimes our bravest human explorers into the great void. This isn't just about planting flags or winning races. It's about answering the most fundamental questions we have ever asked ourselves. Where did we come from? Are we alone? What is our place in the vastness of the cosmos? To answer these, NASA builds incredible machines: telescopes that see back in time, orbiters that map distant worlds, and landers that touch alien soil. Among all of NASA's incredible journeys, some moments shine with a special brilliance. The Apollo program is one such story. It was a journey born of a bold promise: to land a man on the moon and return him safely to the Earth. On July 20th, 1969, that promise was fulfilled. The world held its breath as Neil Armstrong descended the ladder of the Eagle lander and took a small step onto the lunar surface. For the first time, a human being walked on another world. The Apollo missions were more than just a spectacular achievement. They were a scientific treasure hunt. The astronauts were not just explorers. They were cosmic geologists. They collected hundreds of pounds of moon rocks and soil, precious samples that told the story of the moon's violent ancient past. After the age of Apollo, our ambitions turned to the rusty red dot in our night sky, Mars. We began sending robotic pioneers to explore this enigmatic world. Then came the rovers: Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. These intrepid robots became our avatars on another planet. They have traversed vast craters, climbed mountains, and analyzed Martian rocks and soil. The great adventure of space exploration might seem distant, happening millions of miles away. But the impact of NASA's work is felt right here, in our daily lives on Earth. Think about the device you might be using to read this. The tiny, powerful cameras in our phones are a direct descendant of the technology developed to take pictures in space. NASA needed small, efficient, high-quality digital imagers, and that need spurred an invention that is now in billions of pockets. This cosmic inheritance is all around us. The memory foam in our mattresses and pillows was originally developed to improve crash protection for NASA pilots and astronauts. The scratch-resistant lenses in our eyeglasses were first created for astronaut helmet visors to protect them from space dust. NASA's contributions go far beyond consumer gadgets. The agency is one of the world's leading observers of our own planet. Satellites orbiting Earth constantly monitor our weather, our oceans, our atmosphere, and our changing land. In a very real sense, going to space has given us the ultimate perspective on our home. It allows us to see Earth as a single, interconnected system, a fragile blue marble that we must protect. There is a feeling that is deep within us, a sense of awe that awakens when we confront the immense scale of the universe. NASA is, perhaps, humanity's greatest engine for generating this feeling. When the Hubble Space Telescope aimed its lens at a tiny, seemingly empty patch of sky and stared for over 100 hours, it revealed something astonishing. In that dark sliver of space, it found not emptiness, but thousands of galaxies. When we see a picture of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm larger than our entire planet, or the ethereal beauty of the Pillars of Creation, a stellar nursery where new suns are being born, we are participating in the act of exploration. NASA makes us all armchair astronauts. We journey with the probes to the rings of Saturn and the icy plains of Pluto. The excitement NASA generates is not just for scientists, it is for everyone. It inspires children to dream of becoming astronauts, engineers, and astronomers. Space is a universal theme that transcends cultures and borders. The quest to explore the cosmos is a shared human endeavor, a story that we are all a part of. In the end, what is the ultimate purpose of NASA? It is to inspire. This inspiration fuels our collective dreams for the future. It makes us think about what humanity could become. Will we one day build cities on Mars? Will we travel to the stars? NASA has shown us that the universe is not something to be feared, but something to be known. We are a part of this universe. We are stardust, and our destiny is to explore it, to understand it, and to cherish our small, precious place within it. The journey continues.